If you want to connect your Epic Games account to YouTube, this video will walk you through the process step by step in the simplest way possible. Whether you're trying to link accounts for rewards, integrations, or just to keep everything connected in one place, I'll show you exactly what to click so you can get it done quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer and sign in to your YouTube account. This is important because the connection needs to be made from the account you want to use. Once you're signed in, look for the Settings option. Depending on your layout, you may need to click your profile icon first and then go into your settings from there. After that, navigate to Connected Apps. This is the area where YouTube shows services and platforms that can be linked to your account. Now take a moment to locate Epic Games in the list. If you see it, click on it so you can open the connection options. Next, select Connect. This starts the linking process between YouTube and Epic Games. At this point, you'll be asked to sign into your Epic Games account. Enter your login details carefully and make sure you're using the correct Epic account. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're choosing the one you actually want connected. Once you sign in, Epic Games will show a permission prompt asking you to authorize the connection. Read through the request, then click Allow to continue. This is the step that gives both platforms permission to link properly. After you approve it, the connection should be completed automatically. In most cases, you'll see a confirmation that your Epic Games account is now connected to YouTube. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and check your connected apps again to confirm everything went through. If anything doesn't work, go back and make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube and Epic Games accounts, because that is the most common issue. You can also try clearing your browser cache or switching browsers if the connect button doesn't respond. Once the accounts are linked, you're all set. That's the full process for connecting your Epic Games account to YouTube using a browser. It only takes a few minutes, but it can save you a lot of confusion later if you need your account synced for future use. If this video was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.